Hey, what's happening, guys? I can't believe this right now. I can't find my phone. Where is it? It's gotta be here somewhere. Seriously. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Here's the thing. I saw this ad about D-brand and also slick wraps, and I was like, it'd be cool to nice to have like a wrap for your phone so you don't have to wear a case. So now I was like, maybe I'm gonna use one of these. Okay, let's put it on. And here we go. This is how you put it on. The first thing you need to do is just turn on your faucet and just take your phone right on there and wash it. Next thing is find whatever towel you could find and just wipe it off just like that, nice and quick. The last thing you need to do is to put it on. 1, 2, 3, go. And voila, you're done. Oh, wait, don't forget. Put on the camera right there to complete the final touch. Once we installed the camera sticker, now we're finally done. We can finally lose our phone. And basically, that's how I lost my phone. I installed this D-brand skin, put it somewhere, maybe dropped my phone, slept. And when I woke up, I couldn't find my phone. If you guys see my phone in this video, make sure to comment below. Make sure to hit that like button as well. Share it to your friends so that I can find my phone. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace. Today's sponsor. With Bonus VPN, you'll be able to change your region on your Netflix and watch all the shows you want. Check out the link down in the description below.